Hello and welcome to the video. This is a quick video and update on the stuff that's coming into stock at DroneAuthority. Now, Ben and the team up there that run the shops like 3DXR bought DroneAuthority last year, and it opened at the beginning of December. And they have really been working hard to increase the stock and the number of products that are there. And every time I go up, I get to see Ben and the gang about once every other month. There is new stuff in stock. So as we were kind of messing about, a good opportunity to pull some of the latest things out, stick them on a bench and show you what's coming into stock. Again, DroneAuthority, I don't think are ever going to be the cheapest supplier in the UK for all the different drone parts. However, it is backed up by the huge warehouse and stocking system that runs both the 3DXR and the other stores as well. So when it says it's in stock on the website, it actually means it's in stock. So enough of an intro, let's have a look at some of the new stuff that they've got in stock.
So we've been steadily growing the DroneAuthority website with new brands, new suppliers, also just trying to keep really good stock levels of these really popular products. Here's an example of some of the products from Speedybe that are really popular. So one you might recognize from one of Lee's videos is the F4 V4 flight stack. So Lee did a assembly video using one of these flight controllers, and it proved to be a great product, really nice sort of stable flight. What's good about Speedybe is they're really cost effective, and the quality of these products now is really good. So these ones here are, we have the flight controllers for wing and the mini wing. What this allows you to do is you can then build your wing project using either iNav, and there's also support in AudioPilot for these Speedybe flight controllers as well. So the F4 wing is a very popular product. It's really competitively priced, so you get great value for money at around the sort of £40 price mark on that one. So if you are thinking of doing your latest build using iNav 7 or 7.1, this would be a great flight controller for that. And all these Speedybe products have just arrived and they are all in stock now. So if you're thinking of ordering, you should do that now. Another brand that we've just got stock in of is Foxia. So we have a huge range of products from them. Here's a small example where we've got some of their frame kits. So this long range frame, we have a few other frame options in as well. Also, we have one of their H7 flight controllers. In this case, what's interesting about this one is up to 8S. So it's not that common that you'll see the 8S compatible flight controllers. And this nice one, dual back, and it's got the MPU 6000 that people seem to like. We've also got, again, for the building components, this is their 400 amp PDB. This will also do 8S, as well as using this on building of sort of quads and racing drones. There's probably a bit of use on bigger builds for that as well. With Foxia as well, here's an example. We've got the analog pilots covered. Here's a goggles module to the Wildfire. Quite nice little module. This is the dual receiver version. And here's a Foxia camera. So this is just one of the many we have in stock. This particular one we picked as the cat-free. And what's special about this one is it's very good in low light. So it's a really sensitive sensor, and it's probably the best performing FPV camera in low light. Here's a small selection of some of the propellers we have here at DroneAuthority. So we've got various different manufacturers. We have propellers all the way down from your whoops, all the way up to 5, 6, 7, 8, 9-inch propellers. Here's a selection here. You might recognize some of these used by Lee in his other videos. So we have the T-Motor F5146s here, as well as all these different sizes of propellers. We've also got them in loads of different colors, some plain colors, some really bright, extravagant colors. Do remember, when you go to the field and fly, take a spare set of propellers with you. So if you do have an accident, you can quickly swap them and get back in the air. We also have a large range of antennas. So here's some examples from Foxia, a brand we recently started to stock. These are their Lollipop, the latest Lollipop antennas. We have them in both left-hand and right-hand polarization. So do make sure you get the correct polarization for your aircraft. Left-hand is quite common amongst the digital FPV and right-hand amongst analog, but do check you are getting the right orientation to match what you use now. We have them in a range of connectors, so the most common ones, MMCX, SMA, RPSMA, UFL, and as well as the connector type and the orientation. A lot of them are available in different sizes as well, so short ones to match your smaller drones, and then the long 150mm ones here. So we have a whole range of antennas for both digital and analog FPV systems. What we have on the HD side, the digital side, we've stocked the Walk Snail products, the full range of Walk Snail from early on with DroneAuthority. What we are doing is we are now growing our range of sort of ready assembled, ready to go FPV products. So here's an example from Betaflight. This is the Pavo 25. So this comes in this nice case and it is pre-built. It comes with the ALRS receiver in this case, and this particular model is the walk snail version. So all you need to do to this is you would have your goggles bought separately that you pair it to, charge the batteries, and it's ready to go without the build process. So we see this market is expanding a bit, so we're wanting to get in a nice range of all different sizes, not just HD walk snail, but we also have the DJI versions, and then other frames come in analog. So we're trying to have you covered in a huge range of sort of ready to go, ready assembled racing quads.
So a link down below to the DroneAuthority website. Again, keep an eye on it. They are making sure that they're keeping things in stock. And I was talking to Ben and making sure that he was aware that as spring comes in, that's when hobbyists like us that the DroneAuthority stuff is aimed at really start to get excited and start knocking the dust and rust off the models ready to fly. One thing I would ask, if you can think of any fantastic product ranges that aren't currently being stocked by Ben but should be, please pop a comment down below. Next time I see Ben, I'm going to kind of update him with extra things that he needs in stock so that we always have somewhere to go where those things are available. Thank you for watching my video. Check out the playlist, and adding Painless 360 to your search terms will help you find my content. If you haven't done so already, please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps a lot. You can support the time I spend here answering questions and helping others by using the links in the video description.